Mpumelelo Mseleku recently had his big boy purchase. He recently posted a video of his brand new car. People on TikTok were asking if it's sponsored, and he said no, it is all his hard work. Congratulations to you, Mpumelelo Mseleku, for your purchase. What also took fans by surprise, though, is seeing him and his father together celebrating his purchases. But on last week's episode, Usne said something along the lines of Mpumelelo disrespecting his father.
Ngiyabhreka mhla engithethisa lapha
esithethisa kakhulu ke lo
cabanga uthethisa mina
umzala habe
uyabona mhla ishada mesibizile siyofika mengasibizanga futhi ngesifike akukho futhi kuzosikhathaza ngalokho because yena usekhombisile ukuthi asilutho unabantu acabanga ukuthi bawutho
uMpumelelo seyitshela ukuthi uyena ophethe ubaba kani akufanele akwenze lokho uMpumelelo ngoba ubaba ophethe ofana aphathe uMpumelelo hayi uMpumelelo aphathe ubaba.